Alright, mount your camera on a tripod using landscape. You get my point. So guys, before we continue, please like this video so YouTube will distribute this video to many other people. You get my point. Also share this video to your social media platforms. You get my point. So now when you are done with that, you walk in, you stand at one end of the screen, then you can do as if you want to lift something with your hand and then squeeze it, and after squeezing it you bring it down, something like what you are seeing on your screen. So when you are done with that one, also you save the video to your gallery, then head over to Capcut. You get my point. So now on Capcut, click on new project, import the video you just recorded to Capcut. Now this is the video here. So I noticed that we had we don't need this background, this empty background, so I have to split and delete some part of the video. So from here I'll click on split and I'll delete this, the beginning of this video, because I don't need it. You get my point. So this is how I want my video to start, something like this. So what I will do here is to go to the end of this video. I'll go and click on how I want it to end. So from here is how I want it to end. So I'll tap on the layer, tap on split, then delete the ending part of it. Get my point. So now let's go back to the beginning of the video. Click on overlay to add the green screen effect. Click on add overlay. Now bring the green screen effect you downloaded. Now this is it. So what you will do from here is you have to go to remove BG, click on chroma key. Now take this circle to where it will show green completely. Now click on intensity and drag it to 100. Click on shadow. So you have to leave it at 50. Just set it at 50. You get my point. So you can decide to adjust it where the car should be. You can decide to increase the size. You can decide to leave it at how it is, depending on how you shoot your own or where you shoot your video, something like this. So as you can see, the car is already flying before I got to where I wanted to stand. So what I will do here, I'll have to tap on the car layer here. Before the car will fly, I will just tap on it and then click on split. Something like this. Tap on split, bro. So at this point, after splitting it, now go and look for freeze. Tap on freeze. So what you do here, you tap on the second layer, the other section. Tap on the second layer, the other section, drag it, just give a space where you can fit in the one you just freeze. Something like this. Now bring the one you just freeze to fit in there. Drag it there. Make sure you align it very well. You get my point. So something like what you are seeing on your screen. Please follow it step by step. Now tap on the end of the freeze layer, drag it to reach the other section. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Something like what you are seeing on your screen. You get my point. So let's try to do some adjustments from here where my hand is going down, so the car can be flying with my hand. So you will do some adjustment here, just like what you are seeing. Try to bring it to where my hand is down, and then drag this other one to get to it. Understand? So that it will match where my hand is down, and when my hand is going up, the car will be going up at the same time. So it's just simple, a little adjustment you need to do from here. So like something like this. So I noticed that the car was too fast to drop, so I have to go and look for speed. Now click on speed, click on normal. So I will have to adjust it, bring it down to 0.5. The speed 0.5, then leave it this. Alright guys, so if you're a complete beginner and you wish to learn about video editing, you get my point, chat me up on WhatsApp. My phone number is in the description of this video. Understand? So from here you will learn how to be getting this green screen effect for free Understand? You are not going to be paying money to be getting them, because this particular one I'm using here or another ones I've been using, if you want to get it, some of them you have to pay up to $10 or $5, $15, depending on the type of green screen effect you want. But I will teach you how to be getting them for free. You get my point? And also how to be editing videos so you can stand on your own. You get my point? So chat me up on WhatsApp immediately. Please take note, it is not free. I charge, though it's affordable. You get my point? So guys, as you can see, when I dropped my hand, the car is still up there where it's supposed to come down, but immediately my hand is down. You get my point? So what I'm going to do from here is to tap on the green screen layer, tap on split. Now when I tap on split, now go and look for speed. Let's look for speed. Click on speed. Now click on normal. Now you will have to bring back the speed to 1.0 so it will work normal. So guys, subscribe to this channel if you've not done that. You get my point? So what you do here is to adjust the ending part of it. Just tap on the green screen effect layer, then adjust it, drag it to align with the first layer. Understand? So turn on the bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I drop another amazing tutorial like this. Understand? Subscribe, like and share this video. So let's see what we got. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? Bring the shit down. So now at this point I want to add another effect where the car is falling. I want to add another effect, so I will go look for overlay. Now yes, tap on add overlay. Now bring the effect right here. Now this is the effect. Understand? So this is it. So what I will do here is to expand it, make it full the screen. Oh, I didn't on data. Let me on my data, bro. So I have to make it, tap on splice. Now click on filter, tap on filter, leave it there at filter. So tap OK. You get my point? Drag it to fit to screen, so you will have the dust. Align it when the car is falling. Just align it when the car, look at it here, so you have it. It's very okay like this. I hope you like what you see. So if you really want to learn about video editing, please chat me up on WhatsApp. So you will learn, you know how to be getting these effects for free. So when you are done with that, you save your video. See you in our next video.